Okay, boys and girls, we're going to take a look at the difference between transparent, translucent, and opaque items with everyday items that you should be familiar with. We're first going to start looking at each of the three categories. Transparent items are items that allow light to pass completely through. Translucent items allow some light to pass through. And opaque items don't let any light through whatsoever. So let's sort. We'll get to about 3 in each category and then we'll move on. So if we look at a clear plastic water bottle, transparent, translucent, or opaque, take a minute, get in your head what you think it is. You are right. It is a transparent item. We can see water through, or we can see through that water bottle. Okay, next one, wood blocks. Does light go through? Some light or no light? You're right, no light at all. What about a solid gift box looking like the one I have on the screen? Does light pass through? Does some light pass through? Or does no light pass through? You're right, no light passes through. A lampshade. Do we allow some or all light to pass through? Some light to pass through? Or no light? You're right, some light passes through. We can see the glow that there's a light underneath, but we don't know completely what's on the other side. What about a shower curtain? Does it allow all the light, some light, or no light? Some light. Good job. What about swimming goggles? No light passes through, some light passes through, or all the light passes through? You're right, all the light passes through in swimming goggles, but not all the water. What about rocks? All the light, some light, or no light? You're right, no light passes through rocks. What about sunglasses? All the light, some light, or no light? It would be translucent, some light, otherwise there wouldn't be a point of sunglasses. Okay, let's look at another one, a window. Does we let all the light pass through, some of the light pass through, or none of the light to pass through? You're right, we allow some light through in a window. Good job.